Hey, folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here. Today's date is Tuesday, February 27th, 2018. Well, folks, take a look at JPMorgan. This video is on a short trade that I see beautifully on JPM, right from this kind of 118.50 to 119 and change level, basically the highs of the day today, right above that 119 level. So again, this is a great short in my opinion. The chart is just ripe. Not only are you short-term overbought, hitting new all-time highs, which again means an extended chart here, but you also have a major trend line that's bumping up against the current price. And this is a huge one, folks. If you zoom out, take a look at this, folks. This is a big one. So basically what I want you to do is just take this former pivot right here. All right, what I want you to do is connect it to this pivot high here and look at what you kissed this morning at the highs on JPMorgan. That is a beautiful trend line. Look at that. Pivot high, and pivot high. All right, and again, JPMorgan is way overdone here, way overdone. And this stock I like on a short side. I already have some FAZ that I accumulated yesterday as we see this stock coming in today. And I think you will see literally probably a downside move from this 118.50 current level back to about the 105 level. Ultimately, it's going to go even lower. I actually think your longer term target, if you're patient, folks, this is where it's going. 94 bucks right here. Pivot high, and then little pivot point here. You can see the breakout that occurred off of that. This is where you're eventually going to go back to. You will see this level, mark my words, by the end of this year, you will see that level. Now, short term, over the next 2 to 3 weeks, you probably only go down to about 110 to 105. That's up to you if you want to take the profits at that point. But ultimately, you'll see a bigger move down later in this year, and you will see a major corrective move on JPMorgan. All right, couple things to go over. I did sell my ExxonMobil today, another winner in the Research Center. We had a 12% plus winner yesterday in the Research Center, very VERI. We sold it ahead of earnings because I had a feeling that the run-up into earnings should be sold into. Sure enough, the stock collapsed on earnings drastically, currently trading down almost 20%. So that was a beautiful profit taken yesterday in the Research Center. Today, we took ExxonMobil. Why did I take Exxon? I mean, this is a very simple thing. We sold it right here into $80. Take a look at this pivot low. I mean, this is Charts 101, folks. This is literally Charts 101. The basics of charts. That's all you need to know here. Pivot low here. The bounce, where's it going to go? Right to that level. This is now resistance. It was support when we pulled back here, then we went higher. We pulled back, we broke down below it. Now it becomes resistance. Remember, resistance becomes support, support becomes resistance. That's what you need to know. Bottom line is we sold right there. Look at the stock. It's already reversed. We literally sold over $1 higher at this point on the day. So this is just, I mean, this is part of the deal is, I mean, not only are we spitting out, I think this is now 22 winners in a row in the Research Center, but it's also about maximizing the gains, all right? Maximizing, in this case, maximizing ExxonMobil's profit. It wasn't a huge profit. You know, ExxonMobil's not a big moving stock, but it's just another winner in the books. I want to show you here the track record. Here's our website, folks, InTheMoneyStocks.com. Go over here to free services, go down to the Research Center track record, and you can clearly see, look at this, the gains just continue to mount here. Here was Very that we took just 2 days prior, 2 trading days day higher, so we sold it yesterday. Here's the ExxonMobil. It goes by date of entry. So here's your ExxonMobil we bought on 0205 at 7805. We sold today 7980 right here. There's the 27th listed. And again, this is now, we have 2 losers this year. That's it. Of all the trades we have taken in 2018, we have 2 losers, and look at the streak. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. 22 straight winners now on the year. I'm going to keep this streak going as long as I can. I promise you at some point I will have a loser, but let's keep it rocking and rolling. Join the Research Center, folks. It's very simple to do so. Go here, go to Research Center, click on it. Go down, take the 7-day free trial. You get everything listed here, daily analysis video, daily market reports, hot charts and alerts where I give you my live buys time-stamped. No hype live broadcast, two live broadcasts a week. You can join. You can ask us questions. You see our charts live. It is awesome. All right, so again, guys, this is where it's at. Bottom line, come join us at InTheMoneyStocks.com. Start making the money. I mean, people are literally taking the 7-day free trial and paying for a whole year up front. It's amazing. Talk to you later, guys. Take